Hey everyone, it's Kyle here with Laser Method YouTube channel and Supreme 3D Printing LLC. Sitting here editing this video, getting ready to post it, and when I made the decision to rebrand the YouTube channel to Perfection Prints, because we do more than just lasers here. We do laser engraving, 3D printing, embroidered t-shirts, printed t-shirts, embroidered and leather patch hats. We do it all. So laser method was just one subject. So this way, Perfection Prints, I think fits perfect. So gonna rebrand that and change the handles and all that. But I just wanted to give you all a heads up on why the new logo and why it says Perfection Prints and not Laser Method. So there you go. About a week or so ago, I created a video talking about I had to relocate and open up a new shop. Well, I didn't give a shop tour, kind of just gave a little brief rundown of what was going on. I want to give you all a new shop tour. Once I get everything situated, the videos will be more frequent. But with that, I've got gonna start here with the Bamboo Labs P1S with the AMS system with the four color multi system on it. Love it. The Core XY is just so much better than a bed slinger. What you can do with the AMS system for making perfect prints, the right color combinations, you can plug up to 16 spools on these things if you buy the other AMS systems, which I probably won't do. I'll probably end up taking it and buying more printers instead. I want to get at least 3 to 4 more of these things to replace a bunch of the bed slingers I got. Now, I started out on a bunch of bed slingers. As you can see, here's one of them here. There's a couple I got stored away down below. One over there that's become more of a storage rack than anything. Uh, there's the embroidery system. Got it turned off right now because in the last video it was ridiculously loud. So I just figured I'd just cut it off for the video. It's gonna make this a short one, kind of just give you all a rundown of the shop, let y'all see how things are. Got a couple of things stashed up there on that rack, a couple printers that I don't use really much anymore. The big one in the back, the Anycubic, I don't really use all that much anymore just because its speed is so terribly slow, but it does come in nice for the big prints. I'm hoping to find a Core XY that's a lot bigger, but also reasonable in price. And I got some Crealities down here. I use this one still because it is decently quick and it gives me the best results out of any of my bed slingers I got, along with that Ender 5 Neo Plus. And then the Adventure 5M. I use this one a lot for my single colors because I mean it's fast as hell. This thing will put out a print faster than the Bamboo Labs, even on single color. Just something about it, just its speed is amazing and its quality is pretty much perfect. Got a little entertainment going on. Show you down here, we got the vinyl plotter. Got to get that moved into a good location and set up as well. Got a big, large shirt order going on for embroidery. You see some of my filaments there that I've got on hand at the moment. The whole working station. Got my heat press for doing the shirts whenever we do printed shirts. Down below here, it's got another Anycubic Mega X that's sitting down there. That's just been in the way, so I put it out of the way for now until I get some workbench area cleared off. But with that, really, there's not a whole lot more going on in this shop. I do have my hat heat press here, so for when I do leather patches or even printed hats, got that all set, ready to go. Like I said, the shop's a wreck right now. Everything was just kind of thrown in here and a little makeshift work area was put up for the time being. This will all get organized and eventually either this garage is going to come down and I'm going to build a much bigger garage or add onto the back of this, or I'm going to end up raising the ceiling on this and building a loft with a workspace up there as well. Well, there's the bike y'all can see. But that's kind of the workshop right now. Like I said, this summer it's going to all change. There'll be a lot more videos coming along too. So be sure to stay tuned. If you haven't, do me a favor down below, hit that subscribe and that like button. I will get you as much content out as possible and I will give you a bunch of reviews. I appreciate all of you. Oh, and one last thing. Looking in the future by the late summer, early fall, there will be possibly a DTF printer going over here where the bike is sitting and then possibly a large CO2 laser as well. Kind of talking to some places and figuring out numbers. A lot of it's, you know, just behind the scenes stuff that's got to get ironed out. Once that's all taken care of, then I'll work on getting the correct wiring put in and everything set up and ordered. Well, that's about it for the shop tour. Not a whole lot to see right here. A lot of cleaning up, a lot of organizing, and possibly a new building. Looking at possibly tearing down this garage and putting a much bigger garage slash studio slash office. I don't know what to name it really, but looking at doing something like that. Got to get things figured out with building permits and with the county and whatnot. So that's going to take some time. That could be later this year, beginning of next year. I don't know yet. Kind of going to look at some building options as well. I've looked around at a few. Not too bad, terribly priced. Just depends on what material, bit of material is these days. It might be something I end up doing myself instead of hiring someone. I haven't decided yet. With working full time and doing this, kind of hard to find time to do that, but we'll see how it pans out, especially if it's really expensive and I can save a buck, I'll do it myself. If you haven't, check out our website, supremecustomprinting.com. It's where you can find all of our merchandise that we sell and create, anywhere from printed to embroidered shirts, printed to embroidered hats as well, 3D printed items, laser engraved items, you name it, we got it on there. So be sure to give that a check. If you haven't, also down below, if you will, hit that subscribe and that follow. I appreciate it, and the like. I greatly appreciate it. Also, turn that notification bell on too, so you get notified when we get make videos, because they will start coming more frequently once I get this clutter all organized and figured out. But with that being said, guys, I appreciate all of you. Oh, one last thing too, real quick. Potentially going here in the garage or in the new building, wherever, depending on time and whatnot, will be a DTF printer, and along with the oven for it and shaker and all that, and then more than likely a large CO2 laser as well. So going to upgrade from the diode laser to a CO2. It's more beneficial. If I can get one for a few grand delivered, I can't pass it, especially if it's a large one. So, but look for those to be coming here on the channel here pretty soon. I'd say within the year, at least one, if not both of those, will be here sitting in this garage or in a new garage or wherever it may be, but they will be here on this channel eventually at some point. So I appreciate all of you all. You'll have a good day, and thank you for visiting Laser Method YouTube channel. I'll see you all later.